My friends, I will talk today about how can you prepare cough syrup at home. That means cough syrup preparation at home. At first, take 1 liter of water or 2 liter of water in a steel vessel. At first, take 2 liter of water, pure drinking water, in a steel vessel. Then collect then collect 100 numbers of basok leaves. 100 numbers of basok leaves. In Bengali it is called basok pata. Basok pata. At first, please wash the basok leaves clearly. Then again collect 100 numbers of tulsi leaves. 100 numbers of tulsi leaves. In Bengali it is called tulsi pata. Now these 100 numbers of basok leaves and 100 number of tulsi leaves add to the 2 liter water, 2 liter drinking water taking in the steel container. Then boil, exhaustively boil, vigorously boil until the volume becomes 1 liter. This is a process by which you can preparing an extract of basok leaves and tulsi leaves. You can preparing an extract of basok leaves and tulsi leaves. Now filter as if we filter for preparation of tea. We separate tea leaves from tea. Similarly, filters by a sieve to separate the basok leaves and the tulsi leaves, and filtrate should be collected and collect the filtrate. The volume of the filtrate will be more or less 1 liter. It is the extract of basok leaves and tulsi leaves. Then in this filtrate add 2 spoonful sugar. Add 2 spoonful sugar. Which sugar we are using in tea preparation or in domestic use. Add 2 spoonful sugar. Then add 1 spoonful table salt. Then add 1 teaspoonful table salt. That means sodium chloride. In Bengali it is called khadya lavan, which we are using during cooking and eating. Then again boil. During boiling, please add a little paste of gingiber. Gingiber in Bengali it is called ada. Gingiber in Bengali it is called ada. At first make it paste by mixing machine and add in the solution. So in the basok and tulsi extract you are adding sugar, you are adding table salt, you are adding gingiber. Again boil and boil, again boil and boil, again boil and boil until the volume becomes 1/4, until the volume becomes 1/4, until the volume becomes 1/4. Then cool it and keep it in a glass container, and keep it in a glass container. Now the cough syrup is prepared. Now the cough syrup is prepared. You may take it 2 spoonfuls twice daily if you are attacked by cold, or if the mucus deposited in your lungs, you may take it. But if you are suffering from emergency illness, pneumonia, or in worst condition, then you must go to a doctor. It is a home remedy. For a primary precaution, you may use this cough syrup for becoming well, and in many cases it is found that the cold problem is reduced. Instead of tulsi pata, in Bengali it is called tulsi pata. Instead of tulsi leaves, you may use ram tulsi leaves. In Bengali it is called ram tulsi pata. Then you will get better result. Now in this way, in our home, we can prepare cough syrup. Thank you.